Oh, I was just on my way into the deer stand this morning, and I have a beautiful red fox in one of my sets. There he is, look at him. He's a nice one. This is the set that coon dug up the other day. Oh, I got him good. Well, Mr. Fox, you're gonna have to wait. I got some deer hunting to do. Okay, here's our fox. What a beautiful animal. Beautiful. Got a good front pad catch on him. Perfect. Just perfect. What a beautiful animal. I'm real well placed with that. Could be a good omen for me for deer hunting this morning. Okay, we gotta get to the stand. Okay, here it is. It's opening morning of firearms season for deer. I just seen 2 deer. But it's buck only. So we're waiting on a buck. It's not too bad, it's pretty still. It's not too windy, I can hear it really well, so I'm not gonna make too much noise. Probably gonna stay all day and see what we see. Sun is just coming up. Oh, we already had an exciting morning. All right, I'll switch the camera back on if I see anything. Wow, I've seen 3 more deer on the crest of the hill area in front of me. 3 does. They're walking onto the neighbor's farm. Probably going to bed down in behind his house. The landowner just messaged me. He's hunting on the opposite side of the woods here. Ooh, hello. There was a shot. Apparently in my other set, I have a skunk trapped. All week I've been checking those sets every night, and they've been. I had that coon mess with that one night. He got out of it, and this morning I caught the fox in that set, and now in the other set here I have a skunk. I have never trapped a skunk here before, ever, not once. Turning out to be a good morning. All we need now is a buck to show up. Alright, I'll keep an eye out and see if we see anything. Look at this beauty. Look at the hole he dug. Oh, that is a beautiful skunk. He's almost all white. What a beauty. Well, what a great day on the trap line. Look at this beauty. The old skunk. And that is a nut. Look at the white on that. I have waited a long time to catch almost a full white skunk like that. You know, it's that patch of black in the middle, look. His tail is almost pure white. He's a beauty. Very pleased with that. Very pleased with that. And I got a nice red fox. Slow day for deer hunting. I've seen, all in all today, I've seen 11 deer. All does, no bucks. But I'm really pleased about that skunk. I've wanted to catch a full white skunk like that for a long time, and it's been a long time since I've trapped a skunk. The last one I caught was almost all black. He just had a white skull cap on his head, and that was about it. But we caught this, and I caught a really nice red fox. Now I'm gonna go sit back in the deer stand and see what we see. There's a doe out on her own here. That's just 230 yards from me. No bucks though. There she is right there. Well, I had two does out in the cut bean field below me. I watched them feeding for maybe 40 minutes. But no other deer came out, just the two does, that was it. Been pretty slow all day. I've seen deer, but a lot of them are at long distance. For opening day of a firearm season, it's been pretty slow. I heard 4 shots this morning across the street from here, and that was about it. I talked to the neighbors that were hunting on the opposite side of the street on this side. Nobody's seen any bucks over there. I talked to the neighbor on this side. He only seen does, no bucks, and that's all I've seen all day. Those two deer there, that makes 13 deer in total I've seen, and they were all does. So all in all, pretty slow. Now for this particular wildlife management unit, it's buck only today. And it's buck only for the whole week. Then next Saturday, buck and doe opens for firearms. But a slow day for deer movement. There's supposed to be a big cold front coming tonight. So tomorrow they want snow and ice, and Monday they want snow and ice. And then the temperature's supposed to go back up a little bit. It's funny, I checked my traps all week, never caught anything. I had that coon on Thursday night, or Wednesday night. I had that coon that pulled out of my one set. And today, then I had two catches, that big skunk and that nice fox. They're moving right before the front, or right before the weather front. Pumped about that skunk. I always wanted to catch a big white skunk like that. He's not even stained yellow, he's completely white, like you bleached him. Alright, don't have too much more light left, but we're gonna sit and see what happens. See if we got an old antlered buck out here. Oh, I see 4 more deer crossing this cut bean field. All does. Again. Running out of light now. It's just past sunset. And pretty much I've seen nothing but does and squirrels all day long. I gotta check. They're going into this ravine in front of me here where it goes over the hill. And they must be coming up that draw, because there's a patch of woods in the top here. I have another stand up there. That might be a place I'd be interested in sitting. I've seen deer come in and out of there all day. They're following that draw because there's no crops left. The farmer was getting a lot of wind damage. So as you can see here, I'll turn the camera around. All the corn is gone. It's all gone, the whole field is empty. So there's no standing crops left. You can probably see behind me there's a green winter wheat field. I have clover in front of me here, like a cover crop. But there's no standing corn left, it's all gone. But we're gonna give it a few more minutes here. I got about 20 minutes left before it gets dark. And see if we see anything, and if not, we will call opening gun season. First time ever it was on a Saturday, believe it or not. They moved it. It used to be always the Monday after Thanksgiving, now it's the Saturday after Thanksgiving. So they had it a couple days earlier. It's nice, I never usually get to get out on the opening day because I'm always working. If I see anything else, I'll turn the camera back on. If not, we'll call it a day on that one. No bucks today.